that, we'll work side splits. So I'll have Kate stand up. Kate, she's gonna turn to her right side. Wait, well that's right. She's gonna slide down into her leg. If your child doesn't already have her split, let's stand up again, Kate, to show them how we would stretch for that. So face me, please, Kate. And I'm gonna have you put your right foot in front and reach over and just hug your knee and just stretch out the back of this leg right here. So hold it 10 to 20 seconds. And then I'm gonna have her drop into a lunge. So have her drop into a lunge, bend your front leg, and slide this one back. To stay on top of it. And have her drop her front arm, yes, and hold it. And then once she's held that a few seconds, have her work into her side split. So go ahead, Kate, stretch out into your right split. Make sure her knee is underneath. Make sure her foot is, and make sure this leg is not rolling forward so you don't want to sickle your foot in your split. And have her hold it. Now once they get their split flat, you'll have them do all sorts of tricks like lean forward, arch back, balance. Kate, would you demonstrate? Lean forward. Now we'll have her arch her back. Good. And you can help them balance. And then you'll have her bring her hands over her head and balance. So arms straight up, Kate. Both arms up. And hold. And then we'll arch back to try to work towards stretching that back split that we'll have hopefully in the future. Yeah. All right, stand up. We're going to do the same thing on the opposite leg. We won't go through those steps, but you'll just do the same thing. I'll go ahead and have her sit in her left split to show you. Same exact. Lean over, lunge, then split, have her stretch forward, back, and balance just like she did. Now, the third split stretch we'll do is the straddle. So we'll have your child stand up. Stand up, Kate. Before we slide down into our straddle split, we're gonna have her do a center lunge. So plie into your second position. There you go. And have her really put her hands on her knees and bend deep in that lunge. And then work her shoulders forward and back, twisting. And that's really pushing that center down. And then you can have her slide down onto her straddle split while she stays on top of it. Kate, rise back up and hold on top of it. If your daughter is not flat or your dancer's not flat, have her stay on top of it, and then you might have to help them balance and so they don't fall forward or backwards. But hold on top, hold that 10 to 20 seconds as well.